Hello, my name is Emma Masterson, and I am going to be telling you about the Educator Growth Toolbox on the DESE website and why it can be of good use for teachers and other educators. So first, the toolbox itself and the website is very easy to navigate. There are quick links of things like observation forms, professional development videos, articles to read. There are specific content areas for grade levels, for content areas, and for specific areas of growth, for example, classroom management, time management, all that good stuff. The website looks like, oh, my computer is being slow. Oh, we'll get back on there. So, like I said, this is what the toolbox looks like. You have all of your quick links to click on that will take you to these specific areas. So first, I wanted to talk about the evaluations and observations areas that it has on the website. And so for the evaluations, these are for the teacher evaluations, and it has linked the standards, what teacher growth plans should look like, as well as examples and forms to print off that are quick and easy for administrators to click on to use for their school, and then talks about why these growth plans are important, why it's important for teachers to be able to pick a few standards at the beginning of the year and then meet with their principal throughout the year to see if they're meeting their goals, and what you can do as an administrator to then help these teachers reach their goals. That's very important in running an effective school where teachers are not stagnant but growing. There's also the observation area on the website, and it includes observation forms so they're quick and easy for you to click on and print off. Trainings on why and how to be a good observer in a classroom. An observation is of no use if you as an administrator can't communicate your feedback effectively back to that teacher. You need to be able to communicate everything that you saw, both good and bad. So this website, there's a great link on there that gives you information about that, as well as just the observation forms itself on what you should be looking for in the classroom. Next, we have student growth and data. It includes the Missouri Learning Standards and how to incorporate those standards into teaching effectively. It gives you tools, materials, and ideas on how to achieve higher student growth, which we're always looking for. And then applying that. So like I had mentioned before, there's specific content areas and grade levels on here, so on the website. So if you are, per se, there's one for an English language arts 7th grade teacher, which would be perfect for you to just easily click on that link. We're just always looking as educators and as an administrator. This is a great tool for you to just be able to click on easily and have the information for your staff members. It also talks a lot about, in the student growth area, about how to incorporate the student learning objectives and why they're important, how they fit with our standards, and why they help to make teaching effective. Next, there is professional development on the website in the teacher toolbox. That's very easy to use. There is specifically the professional artifacts, which has different articles that are good for teachers and gives ideas about growth in the classroom. So like I'd mentioned before, there's the classroom management, time management, how to grow professionally. So there's all those where whatever area either you as a principal want your teachers to grow in, or if you just as a teacher need help, you can click on multiple different articles to give yourself some materials and help on how to grow in those specific areas that that you need. And then there's a professional learning area on the toolbox as well that comes with lots of videos on just how to become a high achieving and effective teacher. So as a principal, I look at this and from their point of view, and it'd be very easy to link these videos for teachers to watch on a professional development day, or if in your observations you see that a certain teacher is struggling in an area, this would be great to lead them to, or just to specifically grab that link since it's such an easy website to navigate, to give to them to help themselves improve. It's a great resource. So I would recommend the Educator Growth Toolbox on the DESE website.